So when you're writing emails, there are chances that there will be spelling mistakes. And to rectify the same, you can go ahead and utilize the spell checker. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say, hello there, how are you doing? Hope you are well and want to go for the meeting promised soon, right here, just like this. So let's just go around, intentionally make some errors right here, and you can see that there are some errors of spelling right here, and they get underlined right here with red. So to correct out the spelling, you can simply right click on that particular spelling and choose from one of the options right here. Or sometimes it may be a name that you typed, and in that case you can simply add it to dictionary or ignore the word as well. So you can see that check spelling is turned on, so you can disable the check spelling and then enable this out as well. And then you can go for languages and add in dictionaries accordingly of other languages for which you want to check the spelling as well. So if you want to check the entire spelling, then you can simply go around onto the spelling section right here and click, and it opens up this spelling checker widget right here. So it says, hope you are doing well. So sometimes it doesn't get it correct. So let me just go around onto well and replace. For ND, you can see that these are the corrections, but you can also add in your own correction and replace it out as well. So replace it and replace it, and you can see that it fully corrected out the spelling right here. And if you want to go ahead and add a particular word to dictionary that isn't shown correctly, then you can simply go around and, let's say, for example, add in tutu right here. So I want it to be a part of dictionary, then I can simply add to dictionary, and then it won't be shown as a spelling error anymore until you remove it out from dictionary itself. So that is how you can go ahead and check email spellings inside of Thunderbird. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.